Yo, guys, the Nacho. How's everyone, yo? What's good, bro? Yo, guys, what's good? How you guys doing, yo?
I think that. Ay, tamali, mama.
Sorry, everybody.
Ay, tamali. Huh?
Someone?
Mama.
Okay. Dus ik nog dit.
Okay, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Samal.
All right, perfect. How's everybody doing, yo? All good, brother. All good.
Hi, baby.
That's good, guys. That's good.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, we got 20 people here. If you guys ready, we can. I wanna show you one structure that I've been saying, and we're gonna move to the next one. Engine didn't. How's everybody, yo? Okay, guys. So, I think yesterday and the day before yesterday, not yesterday. The day before yesterday, I've been showing you guys on GJ and other pairs that we see together, I think. And we've been killing it these markets, but right on this week, I think it's been a fucking what is this? It's been news time, so these days I didn't trade that much because like I don't wanna. I just trying to protect my capital, not focusing only making money. So I was trying my best, trying to get the best trading setup as much as possible. So we've been looking GJ, and I've been looking GJ, EURNZD, and EURGPY, and it was good actually. The pairs are moving nicely at the place that I've been showing you guys the last week. And I think GJ, we just been trading GJ between these zones like 100 pips, 80 pips. Most of the trades like that top of 80 pips, but it was good though. So this week, I think, this week is already in. I think for next week, I have some tasks that I've been thinking to take this trade. Everybody in here Ethiopian, or there is another country so I can speak Amharic? If there is another people from another country, write me so I can continue in English.
I think most of them is Ethiopian.
Yeah, but I can't talk English, bro. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, I see what you're saying, but there's the name that I see, like Kisha. I don't think so. That person is Ethiopian.
Yeah, I see the names. Okay, no problem. I can continue with English. Okay, so let's see. First, I wanna ask you guys. Everybody in here is a trader, or there are another new people here? I wanna know before. Everybody been trading already, or are there any guys who start who's new for my channel and everything? Can you guys text me here? Yeah, Amharic is better, but there is people who speak English only. That's why. But if you have a question in Amharic, I can answer, no problem, bro. በአማርኛ ጠይቂኝ ምናምን እናመልሳለን። Okay, so for new people here, guys, I think you might not understand what I'm trying to do right now because I'm just trying to show you a market breakdown in a market I'm going to see today and for the next Monday. I think I need to show a new for new guys. I think I need to be live again, maybe Saturday or something when I'm free, so I can show you what is trading, how trading works, and everything. I will try to show you guys in a simple ways. I will try to post, or I will try to do some video for YouTube, and I will try to post there only for new people. For other guys who've been trading with me for the past past times, I think we can continue doing the same thing. Okay, so NFP news is coming in 2 hours. Yes. Okay, so NFP news is coming after like 2-3 hours. So I don't want to take any trade right now. Maybe after NFP, maybe I will take some trade. But right now we've been looking GJ for the past week, and this week also GJ has been moving in the same consolidation moves, but we see like you guys can see it. GJ was moving nicely from last month. We've been moving nicely to uptrend, and the last resistance was around here, 184. We didn't jump more than 184. I think we might, after this NFP, maybe we might see a new high, or we might continue pushing down. For me, I think it's more likely we might see pushing down because I want to see one more move below 170 like this, because I want to hold the trade. Maybe if you have a small account or something like this to grow your accounts, this kind of trades really helps a lot, guys. And if you are a funded trader, this kind of trades really helps. But as you guys can see, at the 4-hour time frame, we've been moving between 182 and 184. The max that we was low was, let's see, it's June 27. We have this resistance support zone and same resistance at 184, right? So let's go a little bit lower. So even though when we go a little bit lower, we've been seeing the same move. I've been taking this trade like 30 pips, 40 pips, maximum 60 pips, 80 pips, something like this. The big move was yesterday, and today actually it's like we have a beautiful setup here, like 170 pips. And for me right now, I didn't take this trade. I've been watching this trade below around this level. I didn't take it because this is the last resistance. I want to see a confirmation before I jump in any trade. Now we have like 182.98. It means it's like we even after I start this session, we up like 10 pips. We down like 10 pips. I think for GJ, if we continue moving like this, if momentum continue pushing like this faster, even before news, if we stop around this place, I think we might have a chance to go back up. We might have a chance to bounce back if we continue. But if the momentum continue like this, I might see sales below this level. But if we go below this level, I think I might see maybe 180, something like this. This is my thoughts on GJ, guys, because if you guys see, we've been moving in the same zone for the past like 15 days in plus. So I don't think if we don't bounce back stronger right now, I don't think we're going to come back strong below this. I don't think we're going to see a big pushback if the momentum don't stop like this, guys, because as you guys can see, we have this zone for the last months, guys. So I think the best thing, the best setup for me to take best setup is at let's say a 15 minutes time frame. You see, this is the last support, right? I was expecting like the market will we stop around this place, maybe to push back maybe 60 pips around this place and continue pushing down, but as you guys can see, there is nothing stopping it. So I don't think taking the trade right now is good enough for me, because I just want to have a clear setup. So this is my thought for GJ. If you've been trading with me this last month or this week, you will know why I put this, because we've been taking these trades. We take this trade. I think we take this trade also. We've been taking some trades. I just get up late today, so I didn't take this trade. I missed out the sales. But I think we have the same. Let me show you guys. We have the same trend line. It didn't broke any trend line. As you guys can see, we have been moving a down trend like this. It means probably we have to see if we continue even pushing down, we have to see back here and continue pushing down. And we're going to see, this is the last, right? Yes, a perfect for sales, a perfect entry will be around this place for me if we continue pushing down. If markets continue holding up above this, we can get like another, let's say, this is like 100 pips. If market break this structure, we continue pushing down. If markets stop around this place at the moment that I put for you guys, I think we continue pushing down. I think I will hold these sales maybe until I see 179 or 180. So nothing clear for me yet, because I wake up late, so I don't think I'm going to jump in on any trade, guys, for now. The next setup that I'm seeing, guys, is EURNZD. EURNZD, I think I've been we trade this live together like when was it, like 2 days ago. I show you guys this structure. As I show you guys, I didn't touch anything on this trade or in this setup, because I put the like this, and I've been waiting for this trade to come back. So we see this live together with you guys, I think. So EURNZD is, I think we have a nice setup and a nice entry for us if we just wait a little bit more till we get a nice entry. For me, let me make it a 4-hour time frame for you guys. Maybe you can take screenshot or record anything, guys, because all the setup that I'm showing you guys is what I'm going to take, but all you need to do is wait to, yeah, hello. So all you need to do is wait till you get the confirmation and the right point to enter, because most of traders, guys, when we will stop out if we start on the middle or something like this. So trying to see the best entry as much as possible, because if you reach like 20 pips, maximum 30 pips, I'm like this, I don't want to risk too much. Like if you reach like this, and if you start in the middle, you will be stopped out. So trying to wait the market and see which is the right moment for you guys. Okay, so I've been waiting from this trade from here. We've been coming down starting from like Wednesday, 28 June. We've been moving nicely a down trade. I didn't take this trade because I didn't literally see this, and we have the same area of support, resistance. I think here, yes, we have the same area of resistance. I think we will move the same area back up here. we will move the same area back up around this place, but because we literally as you guys can see, we literally break this channel and we opened a new channel for uptrend, right? So right now I'm not going to trade this trade because even though we break structure and the market literally came back, we have NFP. If we have an entry point before NFP, it's okay to risk maybe like 20 pips. It's all right for me. I don't mind if I lose 20 pips like this, because if the news hits us, it's gonna hit us harder. If it's in our point, I think we might continue using the same structure, right? So even after I opened this what is this zoom, I think it was around this place, we already moved like 30 pips. I think I'm looking this market to buys. There is two ways. Let's go a little bit lower. As we go lower, the last roof that we broke is this one, I think, right? I think this is the roof that we broke. Let me put a. This is the last roof that we broke, because this one is just considered and start pushing up, because at the lower we see it, the more lower, I think this is the last highs, because this is just this is supposed to be a new high, but it didn't make a new high. It just break this zone and continue pushing up, right? So I think we are okay to enter between this zone, guys. Let me show you. This is like 20 pips, right? So if this candlestick come between this zone, I think we are ready to enter. I will probably risk like 20 pips from here. Like, yeah, I'll probably risk 20-25 pips before we continue pushing up. If news disturb us, we might probably broke this level of structure and continue pushing down. I hope NFP will play our part. Okay, sorry. So I think maybe if NFP and the other news that we have today, I think if they play our part in our zone, I think we continue pushing up beautifully. It's like this is like maybe 2-3 days or even more. I'm gonna hold it to next week. I probably will hold maybe 300-400 pips. So if you are using a small accounts, and or if you have like whatever accounts, even for what is this called, for funding programs, this is a very nice chance, because you have like open 400 pips easy. So you have open 400 pips, so you can use this chance to for a buys, guys. This is the trade that I'm looking today. So I think this is the best opportunity for you guys. If I think we traded gold last time. I showed like it just moved smoothly, like I showed you guys, and I think as probably the best setup that I have is this one. If you have another pair that you want me to see, I will see you for you guys. But today, this is the trade that I'm taking, and I'm going to wait till we see a new. Let's go lower. Let's see at the 30-minute time frame. As you guys can see, this is the last highs, right? I think if we respect this and show us a nice move, we might see a bias if we use this. If we are coming back around this place, we are there's like 20 pips difference. So I think it's okay for us to risk. So we will wait this, and when I enter, guys, we all gonna jump in and we're gonna make some money, yo. All right, gold. Let's see gold. Gold. I didn't trade gold. Only one trade I take this week. So let's see. Okay, guys. Gold is just the right moment that I didn't touch this. I think I opened this for you guys last time, and I've been showing you guys this gold. I think gold was moving nicely last time. This is the structure, but let's go back. Okay, guys, for EURNZD, you guys watch for me, because while I'm taking this, I'm showing you guys. I don't want to miss EURNZD because it's a nice setup that I've been waiting. Wait, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, for gold, guys, I think we've been trading this last week, and I think I've been showing you guys the same result that I'm going to show you guys right now. For gold, we break this last month, not even last month. We've been moving up, and we start going down, starting from 1966, right? We break this structure zone around this place. We continue pushing, like, let's see. We have the zone that we break, 200 pips. So we move another 180 pips, right? So we break this structure. Last time I showed you guys, if we price move above 1932, I think we might see a new highs, right? I put this structure for you guys, but market didn't go here. If we see, I told you guys, if we see this below this level, I think we continue pushing down. For me right now, what I'm looking from gold is, this is the last, you see, let me show you guys. This is the last support zone, right? This is the last, and this is the last resistance. So we use this zone to continue pushing up, right? Now, if market, let me go down a little bit, too hard. Okay, so this is the zone that I'm looking for. Okay, so if I broke this, now we're pushing, right? If we're breaking this structure, I think I'm looking to buy one more time before I see one more time after we break this structure. If we don't, if this what is this called, so if this resistance, we took this as a resistance, I think we already pushed 100. We already moved like 120 pips from the last resistance, right? So if we don't break this structure, I think we're coming down. Right now, I didn't take this trade because I didn't check gold, because I wanted to take gold around this place, but I've been eating breakfast, so I miss out gold. If we already on buys, I think it's okay to hold. But if you didn't enter anything yet, for me, it's better if you wait it and have one more retest, one more candlestick until we break. You see this one, right? Until we break this zone. Let me put more thing for you guys. This is the zone I'm looking to break from gold. If we break this, I think we can continue pushing up back to 1930. But we never know about this because nobody can be sure about NFP anything. After news, we can take we have an opportunity to take buys or sells. I don't even care after that. But before that, we really need to take care of what kind of trade you guys taking. So if we break this zone, I think we are okay to push back. We have like more space around this place. We have 100 pips clear. If you already buys around this place, you still have like 50 pips. So I think it's okay, because in here, if we use this as a resistance, we might fall very strongly. So I think you guys need to see this clearly, guys, because as you guys can see, this is the nice entry for us. It's resistance. I mean support zone. This is the last support. Now we use this as support. We continue pushing up, and this is the area that I'm looking to pass. If we don't break this, I think we are going back home. So if we break this structure, we are okay to move the same zone that we've been moving, right? So if we don't break this, I think we continue pushing down to 1888. That's my thoughts, guys. I think you understand or what? Okay. Gold is clear or what? You want me to see? Okay. This is my task, guys. Whatever if you guys see, we can discuss and show me whatever I didn't see. But for me, I'm not going to jump in on each trade that I see. If I see this trade around this place, it's a very clear thing. I don't want to risk my money or anything. I'm going to jump in. If not, I have to wait this zone till this zone is breaking. Okay. Okay, EURUSD. EURUSD. After last week, I posted a webinar, free webinar in YouTube. I think if you guys see it, I think you guys gonna love that webinar. I've been trading EURUSD last week. So for EURUSD, you see this line that I put in here. Okay, for EURUSD, I think we break this zone and started a new chart around this place, right? This channel, I think this channel is just the beginning, because now we are still moving at the same. Sorry. Okay, sorry guys. So okay, for EURUSD guys, we break this uptrend around last week, right? After we took around last week, we opened this new channel that we going downtrend, right? If, like I showed you guys, if the market continue showing us the and start continue respecting the highs and the lows at this on the new structure, I think we are okay to sales. Last time I took a sell here, and I posted a free webinar around this place. As you guys can see, if you go and check the YouTube, or even I posted in a free channel, we took this sales. We move very clear. Let me show you a very clear 70-80 pips. And I think for me, as you guys can see, if we use the same resistance, we use the same support. I mean, we use the same support around the same support. But as you guys can see, even though we use the same support, we didn't break structure, guys. We didn't break structure. If you go higher, we still see highs around this place. Let me make it purple so you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. Let me show you. Now we are in 2 hours time frame, right? As you guys can see, we still didn't break a structure for EURUSD. We have one high here, came back stronger, came back stronger, come back. We're here right now, right? I think we are going to see another push back down. I think we're going to see another push back down until we break this structure. Now this is the last highs, right? This is the last high, and this is this high. So this is respected, this is respected, this is respected, and this is continue respecting. As long as we continue respecting the highs, we have a fucking nice trend, a downtrend already. So we can follow in every trend. You can take buys on the what is this, on support and resistance, and at the resistance zone we can take sales. For me now, we can take sales. Let me go lower. As long as we respect this zone, I think we are okay to go. If we break this structure, we continue pushing back up. You guys understand? Like, just like I showed you guys here. As long as we are respecting the highs, I think we are okay to go sales more. I don't have any open position right now. I closed all my position around this place, and we took this one also. I closed around this place. I didn't take any trade after that, but probably I'm going to take sales if I see after news, because EURUSD is one of the big moves that I'm expecting to go, right? Yeah, news was not a good. It's not a gotcha. I'm just going faster. If you guys don't understand, trying to write for me, okay? Okay. Okay, EURUSD, right? So as long as we are respecting highs, I don't, because I wanna have confidence on the trade that I'm taking, bro. That's fine. I do trade sometimes, but it's like most of the trade that I'm taking, it depends on the capital that I'm taking, or if it's funding account, I did. So it's okay to sell at 1.9. Let's see. Yeah, 1.9 around this zone is, I think it's a perfect zone to sell, guys. It's a perfect zone to sell because, like I showed you guys, if we broke this, we are respecting the highs, right? Let's go a little bit lower. Let me show you a little bit lower. Even when we go a little bit lower, we still have the same structure, but we still respected the highs. I think it's a perfect entry. If you sell already around this price, I think you have a nice structure. If you broke this, the last roof, if you broke the last roof, I'm not gonna trade anything until I see a clear, and we're going to continue buys, and at least we have like 120, 200 pips easy. But for now, for EURNZD, it's a very clear sells, guys. You can check in every trend. You can check every trend and continue.
What? Yes, I will.
Gosh, yeah, mute mass connection. Okay, so another pair. That's Apple links. Another pair. This is what thoughts. Okay, if you are in sales already, I think you are good to go. I think if you already buy around this place, you get like 100 pips, so it's okay. If we break this zone, you are like, don't risk more than 20 pips because we still respecting the highs, but we didn't break the last support zone. So if we break this, I think it's a fucking beautiful move, right? So I think it's very amazing.
Can you look at it US30?
US30, perfect. Okay. US30. Okay, US30. Okay, guys. So for US30, we've been taking this. What is this? This webinar and the last webinar. I think we checked US30. I didn't trade US30 for a long time. Honestly, I didn't trade US30 for a long time because it's just personal reasons. Okay, let's go and see. Let's go a weekly. Okay, guys, for a weekly, I think we have I already put the lines and everything. So we have resistance around this zone, resistance here. We have another resistance zone here. We have support here. I'm trying to make it as simple as it gets. If you want to add anything with it, if you have been taking trades, you guys have an idea, asking question and everything, join without hesitation. Okay, guys. Okay, for US30, guys, we have a last support zone around this place, and we take here also a beautiful setup here. And just as a daily, guys, as you guys can see, we've been respecting. I really, something that I really like about myself is I really like to respect markets. When I see a market zone, I really like to respect the market structure. As you guys can see, we've been going uptrend, right? We've been going uptrend like this fucking beautifully. As a daily time frame, if you guys can see, we have this trade line, we have this trade line, and we beautifully touched two trades around this place. Before even we came here, we have the same line, and we still touch this same line structure, right? Even though we broke this structure, we came back, we didn't push back up, we came back to line, and we respected this trend line, right? So As you guys can see, we have buy sells around this place, and the market have been pushing up till just continue pushing up beautifully and looking the zone for 35,200, right? So if we have a 35,200 around this place, and we have the last resistance around this place, but it didn't broke this, right? We broke this structure and pushed back up to the same zone and came back. We have a zone 34,500. So if we use this as a last resistance, I think we are okay to continue being in the zone, or break the zone, continue pushing down, right? For now, if we are looking, still there is no confirmation that we didn't break this zone, because we have the same structure. 34, we have here 34,300, we have here 34,400, right? But if you guys can see, for after we break this zone, we came back here 34,300. So right now we are so right now we are in this zone and looking the same structure. Let's go a little bit lower at the 4 hour. So okay, so we've been moving at this zone, right, guys? So for my expectation on US30, I don't see anything. I don't see anything that will confuse us. You understand me? I don't see anything that will confuse us. For me, if we have this zone in every train. Remember, guys, in every train there is another train. We open a train around this place. We hold this as a resistance. And we came back here. We use the last resistance as a support. We continue pushing up, right? So this is the trend line that I've been looking. Let me go lower. Okay, guys, so if we continue holding us in every trend, there is another trend. So if we see this trend, this is the support zone that we're looking at the 2 hour time frame, right? At a 2 hour time frame. So for US30, if we continue like this, I think for me, we come back and touch down this one, plus one more touch, and see this, respect this trend line and continue pushing up. Or I think the last thing that I want to see, as you guys can see, this is the last time that market resisted and market really acted up, right? So if we see this, I think we are okay to go, because as you guys can see, if we use this zone as a resistance, and even though the market didn't touch this zone, we have the last resistance here also, to the market acted up around this place to continue pushing up, right? We have the same zone that the market looking to act up, right? If we have this zone, as you guys can see, let me show you guys. This zone didn't respect the structure and came back here to touch the uptrend, upside, right, around 35,100, right? If we didn't do this, because we used the last support, the last resistance as a resistance, and also in here we market didn't break this structure. But if we respect this and continue pushing down like up like this, I think we will do, definitely this time we're gonna touch 35,400 or something like this. But if we use this one, if we use this zone, I think we will continue to come and respect the trend line before we continue pushing up. If the market broke this trend line, it's definitely a sells. Now one thing that's gonna do us good is what is this, the NFP. After NFP, we might take a correctional trade, or we might continue buying or sells. So for US30, I don't think it's the game that you want to play until you see a confirmation. I don't wanna, what is this called? I don't want to be